For the one time.
You already know how we going in this shit. Yeah. Little young motherfuckers funny. Caught up by the fella, I ain't think this shit was fair. Don't sell by the pen, I make it so while you work for the fella. Don't shop, you shop by the 8. Don't sell by the 8. Find little shawty as bait. Fuck with me, I don't date. Glock with me, never late. Ain't worried about you, shoot headlocks. Fast light, don't stop at the red light.
I told her bitch, hold her leg go. She tryna play me like a Joe. I ain't going for that bitch. Yeah, I ain't going.
What good, gang? Back again with another video, man. For real, with this little POV. I see y'all love the POVs, man. So I'm gonna keep the POVs coming. You feel me? I just felt like it'd be too repetitive, but hey, y'all love them. So if y'all love them, I'm gonna continue to put them out there for y'all, man. And I just hope y'all love them. So make sure you comment down below what you like about the POVs. Make sure you like this video. Run my likes up, man. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Run my likes up. Let my views match my likes, man. For real. And I want to thank y'all because your boy is finally in the process for monetization. You feel me? So make sure y'all start watching them ads, man, so we can start doing some miles to the whip, man. You feel me? Make sure y'all watch the video. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all, y'all already know what to do, man. You know what I'm saying? This is the first step to everything. You know what I'm saying? I done already completed some of my goals, which is reaching 500, reaching 1,000. You feel me? So now we are in the process of being monetized. So I just want to thank y'all for that, man. Like, y'all real live helped me with everything. Like, y'all just don't understand. You feel me? Like, it's so much y'all do for me, and I appreciate that. Without y'all, man, I probably wouldn't be doing this. You feel me? Like, y'all so consistent with me, man. That's crazy. Like, I really do appreciate that. But enough of that, man, because I ain't trying to, you know what I'm saying, get all in my feelings and jump. But you know what I'm saying? Let's get on with the POV, man. Give y'all a couple pulls and all that. Let y'all see what this SRT8 talking about. Now she get up out there now. Just let y'all know that now. To everybody who said they want one of these cars, I feel like you should get one. Like, in my book, this is like the best gen, because like you got a more aggressive look. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna stand out from everybody. I done said that in countless videos. You definitely gonna stand out. People gonna recognize you more because you different. People definitely gonna realize you because you different. I gotta slow down, but it be a little hot right here, man. A little hot right here. But yeah, man. If you want one of these cars, man, just stay down and do what you gotta do, man. Like I say, if I can do it, anybody can do it. If you can't afford, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you can't afford the payments that they're talking about with the Ford, you know there's different terms, man. You can go along with your terms and junk like that. Like, a lot of people won't let y'all know that, man. There's a lot of people in them Hellcats, man, that got 7-year terms, man, and they paying a less a month. Now, just because you put 7-year term on me, you gotta wait the 7 years to pay your car off. You feel me? Like, you really don't. Like, you could just do that for the low payments for right now until you save up some money and start dropping it on your car payment to hurry up and pay it down. Feel me? A lot of folks ain't gonna tell you that. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all, man. So if that 4-year too high, go to another term. You can go all the way to 7, man. For real. And I think they coming up with another plan with 8. So yeah, y'all niggas who want these cars, man, y'all go get them, man. Snatch them up before it's too late. You feel me? Yeah, go snatch it up before it's too late, man. That's all I gotta tell y'all, man. Y'all boys know what y'all want, man. If you want it, just go get it. You know what I'm saying? It ain't really that hard. You know what I'm saying? Especially the ones who stay with their parents still, like, not trying to bash nobody, but you still stay with your parents and they allow you to go, you know what I'm saying, do the things you want to do for right now. Like my mom Dukes, for example, when I was staying with her, I got my Challenger, you feel me? She was like, shoot, when you pay off your Challenger, you can stay with me until you pay off your Challenger. So you move to your apartment or whatever, you ain't gotta worry about no car payment, you feel me? Like, that's a real true parent. So if you got parents like that, man, just take advantage of it, you know what I'm saying? And just wait your turn, don't rush it. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna come to you when God wants you to have it, man. Just continue to pray about it. Continue to keep God first and everything gonna happen, you feel me? Like, just gotta make sure if that's what you want, man, you just gotta take care of it when you get it, man. You can't just be out here just dogging it out, you feel me? That's what I want y'all to realize too. If I ever was to sell this car, man, somebody will get a great car because I don't dog this car out, you feel me? Like, I don't just be out here sliding my car and doing all that extra junk, man. Like, I real life baby this car, you feel me? Like, I only turn up if I'm around like a group of chargers with me, like, you know, the people I hang out with, the SRT8s. That's the only time I cut up, or I cut up a little bit on camera, but even then I don't cut up, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't go crazy like I could. But yeah, man, I just want to put that little bird in y'all ear, man. Somebody told me to tell y'all that, man. That little birdie, man, somebody need to hear that. And there's so many of y'all that started watching my channel that said that y'all want to get one, and so many of y'all done got it. Like, I'm so happy for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? To the ones who copped their SRT8 recently and all that, man. The people who've been telling me that just got one, man. Look, man, I'm happy for you, man. You feel me? Like, go ahead and start your YouTube up. You know what I'm saying? Let's bring the content back on these cars, man. Cause like I say, I really thought deep when I got this car. Like, I even looked up YouTube videos and all that. I don't see any YouTube videos recently on these cars. I recently started seeing them on my car, bro. When I started posting videos, everybody starting to go get them now. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't nobody really like stuck on these cars. You feel me? Everybody wanted the Hellcats, the new 392 Scat Packs. Like, I really like started a movement back on these cars. Like, I ain't even gonna count to you, man. Like, I really think I deserve recognition in that. You feel me? Like, if you go back and look up SRT8s, you probably ain't seen no videos from an SRT8 like 4 years ago until I started posting. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of people done started getting them, which is a good thing, because I want videos on these cars. I want people to, you know what I'm saying, upload their mod so I can see what I like on their cars, and I could go get that mod or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, things like that in that nature. It's just different content. I know y'all probably saying I'm talking a lot, but I'm really just letting y'all niggas know, like, man, this shit really, like, it ain't hard to do. You feel me? And I made a video about my payments and all that. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta make sure you're in a good state, man. Make sure you got a good job. If you got a good job, man, just make sure you do the right things to continue to keep that job, man. You feel me? Like, just do the right thing, man. You feel me? You do good, good come to you. You do bad, bad come to you. You feel me? That's just how life go, man. So, and just keep God first, man. You keep God first, everything gonna work out, I promise you. I'm a living testimony, you feel me? But yeah, though, man, I continue to give y'all this little POV. I don't want it too long, because I tend to see that y'all don't watch videos when they that long. But I definitely want to give y'all some action. I wish I would have found somebody on the highway that we could have tried or something. But it is what it is. You can see, I gotta wait till I get over the hill. See if I can. I slick want to break my top speed, but this ain't the right way for me to go, for me to break my top speed. Top speed of my car right now is like 163, 161. I know I can't get that jump. Let's see. No, I can't get it. I know I can't get it. I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm scared. I'm scared for real. It's just like down here where I'm at right now, man. Like, these niggas they be on it, man. that's all I can give y'all, man. That's all I can give y'all for right now. Until I got down be going the other way. And I got y'all going that way. I probably definitely could break top speed going the other way. But yeah though, man. Y'all need downshifts. And I'ma end it. Right down that window so y'all can hear. That motherfucker really sound good, bro. I still want to change it. I want to gut my cats, though. I told y'all that already. And look, they go 12 right there merging on. Yeah, no. Look at 12, y'all. Hey, I ain't got my tune on. That bitch still got down. Still spinning, man. That's just real power, man. Real American muscle. Like, y'all ain't even got to do much to these cars, man. They already fast, bro. Like, stock you already 475. It ain't gonna take you much to get to a newer scat horsepower. Like, real talk. Real talk. Real talk, man. That real talk, man. Like, it would not take you that long at all to get the scat pack power, man. Do y'all realize that? You 475 stock. Know what I'm saying? They 485. They only 10 horsepower above you. Do you know a cold air intake? A cold air intake, what else? Let me see something small. Cold air intake, probably a throttle body. I'm not even running a newer throttle body. And y'all see the video I had when I raced the newer 392. The dude was on slicks and I was on a street tire, you feel me? But I want him to run it back with me being on the street tire and him being on the street tire. And I want to see what the race look like then. Like, that ain't nothing, bro. 71 that quick. That's nothing. Y'all don't understand, bro. A lot of y'all do because a lot of y'all want these cars, but a lot of people don't understand, bro. These cars are quick. For it to be a 2012, like, I keep stressing that to people. Like, I have a 2012, bro, and I can do a little bit of nothing and keep up with the newer scats. A little of nothing and keep up with newer scats. Do y'all hear what I'm saying? And that's just real talk. That's just real talk. And I ain't even like, I'm not bashing the newer scats or nothing because I like the newer wide bodies. The newer wide bodies hard. I can't stress that enough. Like, if I had a choice to get a wide body, you know what I'm saying, I would definitely go get it. If I had like the funds to get a wide body scat, I go get it. I get a wide body scat over on wide body Hellcat. I'm not gonna lie. I like the slim body Hellcats. I don't know why, but I just do. I know it's like the same look and all, but it just, you got that Hellcat, man. You gotta have that slim body Hellcat, man. That wide body hard too, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know, bro. I just want a slim body Hellcat. Like, I always wanted one. Like, when they first dropped, I wanted one. So if I ever get one, I'm gonna get that year. I'll probably get the year after they drop because they fixed a little bit of stuff on there. If I get one, I might get like a 16. A 16. I wouldn't go no higher than a 17 Hellcat. If I had a chance to get one. And I believe my chance to get one will be like soon. Like, not like soon, but like, nigga, like that shit like around the corner soon. Like, you feel me? Like, we're gonna see though. But I'd rather have a truck though before I go get a Hellcat. So that's like another thing. Like I'd rather daily a truck. I'm definitely gonna park this car. I'm finna hit 100,000 miles in this car. So when I hit 100,000, hopefully I can park it. Or before I hit 100,000, hopefully I can park it. Like whatever one come first. Like I ain't even tripping no more. Cause this is my daily right now. So that's why I'm not too much stressing about how many miles on this car. Cause this is my daily. I drive this car everywhere. Everywhere I go, you're gonna see me in this car. Like I don't got a second car to just pop up in. So as of right now, this is where all my miles go on. I'm not really tripping like I said, but I know I could have low miles on here if I had my other car. You feel me? But I'm give y'all a couple more pulls on this back road when I get there. I think I'm gonna cut my camera back on there, so I want to cut as much. Cause with all I done said, I don't think I'm cutting none of that out. I need all y'all to understand that y'all can go get one of these cars. But I'm finna do less talking, and I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I get on that road, and I'm gonna go crazy for y'all, man. So I hope y'all ready. Stay tuned. Hey, I can't go crazy for y'all, man. I got named Japan, I got named Stowe. Out there on 12 was sitting up, boy. So I can't go crazy for y'all, man. I'll try to go crazy for y'all in another video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Hope y'all like this video.